Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today you learn color names and 2D shapes. First, color name. Green color. Which color is this? Green. Red color. Which color is this? Red. Blue color. Which color is this? Blue. Pink color. Which color is this? Pink. Brown color. Which color is this? Brown. Orange color. Which color is this? Orange. Let's start. Colors. Green color. Triangle. Which shape is this? Triangle. Red color. Heart. Which shape is this, kids? Heart. Which shape is this, kids? Heart. Orange color. Heptagon. Which shape is this, kids? Heptagon. Which shape is this? Heptagon. Blue color. Hexagon. Which shape is this, kids? Hexagon. Which shape is this? Hexagon. Pink color. Circle. Which shape is this, kids? Circle. Which shape is this? Circle. Brown color. Star. Which shape is this, kids? Star. Which shape is this? Star. Repeat again. Triangle, heart, heptagon, hexagon, circle, star. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe my channel. Till then, next video. Bye bye.